Hey guys! Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the first video on Python. In this video I'm going to explain how Python started, and a quick tutorial on how to download and install Python. With that being said, let's get started. Many programming languages are solutions for problems that programmers faced in their projects. Python is one of them. Python is created by Guido van Rossum. Python's name is derived from the British comedy group Monty Python. In the late 1980s, Van Rossum is working on a distributed operating system called Amoeba OS. Every script they were writing for the Amoeba OS is basically either a shell script or a C program. Van Rossum found that both have their demerits. Shell script is hard to write and C is not an interpreted, which means it will take more time to develop a project. So, Guido van Rossum decided to create a program which fills the gap between shell and C. He used to work at nights to develop Python interpreter for 3 months. After 3 months, he showed Python to his colleagues and, together they developed Python. They published Python under MIT license, as open source. As Python is very easy, many developers used it for their projects. Community support for Python increased day by day. As a result, Python is now one of the most popular programming languages and can be used in almost everything from microprocessors to microcontrollers, from web development to network programming, from deep learning to artificial intelligence, and we can send mails, get and post requests, etc. And the beauty of Python is you can learn it quickly. If you do not know programming, it is the best language to start with, and if you don't have enough time to start from C language, this can be a better option to start with. Many companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, Quora, Reddit, YouTube, etc. use Python. In my opinion, Python is a very powerful programming language which will make you too lazy that you don't even want to search for alternatives. In Python, developing and debugging both are much better, faster, and easier. If you are a PHP developer, you know what I mean. So, Python is the best place to start programming. As it is an open source project, we can download and install Python for free. Let's go to the Python's web page. By the way, all the links will be in the description. Here, in the download section, we can see Python 3.8.5. Click it and the download will start immediately. Let me save it on the desktop. Double-click the downloaded executable file. If it asks any permissions, simply say yes to it, and it will show two options. First one will save the files in default path, and the second option is used for configuration, which means you can give any path you wanted and the Python will be installed there. Don't forget to mark this Add Python to Path. I'm going with the default installation. And the Python will be installed. In order to learn Python quickly and easily, we have to use something called code editors. What they do is, they will make our code much readable and predict the word that we are going to type. Simply, they will make our code to look good. Personally, I choose Visual Studio Code as an editor as it is free, light, and it has a great marketplace. Let's go to the VS Code website and download VS Code. The download will start soon. After it is downloaded, run it. If it asks any permissions, say yes again. Accept the agreement. You can read it if you have time. Make sure that these options are selected. Click Next and install. After installing, open it. Sometimes it will suggest some plugins to install. Install them. Go to New File, press Ctrl S to save, name it as first.py. .py is an extension belongs to the Python file. It will ask for installation of a Python plugin. Install it. Install some other plugins that I found helpful when I'm working with Python. The first one is a theme. I'm using Atom 1 Dark theme for about 8 months. This theme looks really cool. Just install it. Before installing the next plugin, let me show you Kite Copilot. It is an AI-based personal assistant which helps to improve your coding skills faster and helps a lot in mastering Python quickly and easily. I use Kite Copilot every time when I'm learning new modules. It's very helpful for me. To download Kite, just go to the website, click here. Download will start soon. After it has downloaded, run it. It will ask for permission, give it, and it will get installed within few minutes. I always prefer to put Copilot to the right side of the monitor. You can put it on the left side if you want to. I'll place Visual Studio Code Editor here like this when I'm working on it. The next plugin is Bracket Pair Colorizer 2. I've already installed it. What it will do is, it will mark brackets with different colors for different levels of bracket pairs. The next plugin is used for Kite Copilot. Install it too. And the last one is Indentator. Install that too. It will draw a big line for the previous indentation. Indentation is a concept which is main for Python. I'll discuss about it when the time comes. And that's it. I will meet you in the next video. Hope you like this video. A small request. Please share this video with everyone if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe.